I love learning Arabic through children's books. These are very good books. And this is a set of three books. If I'm not mistaken, there's the Dua book, Wudu book, and there's a Salah book, which I don't know where it is, but these are books that have just been lying around over the years. My children use them to learn Arabic. And for example, this one, they would learn their duas in Arabic, but I only bought it for them when they were actually learning Arabic, when they could read the letters and sound them without transliteration. This is because even though this book is brilliant for duas, it has transliteration, which I do not like at all, and I do not recommend anyone to learn Arabic through transliteration. So what you do is you just cover up the transliteration. Take time to learn Arabic. There's no shortcut to learning Arabic. You can do Arabic without learning transliteration. And transliteration varies. There's no standard. And I've noticed that it differs depending where you come from, how letters are formed, which language you speak. So transliteration can get really complicated. So when you get a book, learn Arabic, the alphabet, the harakat, everything, and then now you can do this. Because even with my children, I tried to find them books without transliteration when they were younger, but they were very difficult to come across. So I ended up not buying any at all and just asking the Arabic teacher that they had at the time to teach them Arabic and the du'as. And then later on, I started buying books for them. So for here, there are different du'as. And the good thing is it also has the meaning of the du'a. So, like when I wake up from sleep, I say this. And now I am going back to these books because now I can read Arabic. Even though it's slow, I can still read it. And some of the letters I don't know and understand the words, but then I rely on the translation. And some words are familiar. So I ended up reading familiar words. So it's got all these, you know. So if you want something to learn, learn Arabic, after you learn your Arabic alphabet, some books that you can use to learn du'as are children's books. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. I like this because I can actually read this without even relying on the translation. I feel so empowered learning Arabic, and it's just amazing. And some of the letters, I would hear something else when a dua is being said, maybe a sod, and then I hear a different letter because they are familiar, like a sin and a fa. Sometimes if you listen to something, they will sound similar. But then when you actually look at them, when you see in Arabic, you think, oh yeah, that's definitely different. Yahdikumullahu wa yuslihu balakum. Yarhamukallah. This is very good for dua. And then there's the set. Like I said, it comes in a set. Then there's my wudu book. Even when I first learned to pray, I used a children's book to pray. I have it still somewhere, but it's got good illustrations. That's why I like children's books. Some of the books aimed at adults are not as clear or don't have as much illustration. So, this is the book company, Darussalam. They're still in existence, and you can check if the books are available in your country.